Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the Trace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button, and at the account settings section look for the delete account button and just click on that. And there's a account deletion request, and to confirm it, click on the I am ready to delete my account button. And there's a request sent, and they will reply to you and delete your account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.